Hey everybody, it's Athena. Today, we're talking about something that's on everyone's minds these days, recessions. In this video, I'm going to share 8 essential tips to help you prepare for a recession. We'll cover everything from budgeting like a pro to finding creative ways to boost your income. So grab your notebooks, get comfy, and let's dive right in. Okay, let's start with the foundation of any strong financial plan, your budget. You absolutely must know where every single dollar you earn is going. Each month, take a close look at your spending and ask yourself some tough questions. Are there any expenses you can cut out completely? That gym membership you never use? Those subscription boxes you barely touch? Switching to generic brands at the grocery store or cutting back on takeout can add up to significant savings over time. You're taking control of your money, and that's a powerful feeling. So promise me you'll take a good, hard look at your budget this month. Make those necessary adjustments and watch as your financial confidence soars. All right, let's talk about your emergency fund, your financial safety net. This is your non-negotiable, must-have protection against life's unexpected curveballs, especially during a recession. Imagine losing your job or facing a sudden medical expense without any savings to fall back on. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. Even if you can only put aside $20 or $50 a week, it will add up over time. Treat your emergency fund contributions like any other essential expense. Automate those transfers each month, so you don't even have to think about it. Trust me, having a well-stocked emergency fund will give you peace of mind and financial security, no matter what challenges come your way. Okay, let's talk about debt, that dreaded 4-letter word. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, can be a real drag on your finances, especially during a recession. Make a list of all your debts, including the interest rates and minimum payments. Prioritize paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first. Every payment you make, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. If you're struggling to make your payments, don't hesitate to reach out to your creditors. You've got this. Take it one step at a time and celebrate your progress along the way. Now let's talk about your retirement savings. I know it can be tempting to dip into those funds during tough times, but I'm here to tell you, don't do it. Instead of touching your retirement savings, let's explore other ways to weather the storm. Tighten up your budget and find extra savings. There are resources available like unemployment benefits or government assistance programs that can provide temporary support. Stay strong, stay focused, and stay committed to your long-term financial goals. Now let's talk about your investments. The stock market can feel like a roller coaster ride, especially during a recession. But remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. The worst thing you can do is make rash decisions based on fear or panic. Stick to your long-term plan and focus on the fundamentals. If you're feeling uncertain, reach out to a trusted financial advisor. They can help you assess your risk tolerance, review your portfolio, and make any necessary adjustments. Downturns can also present opportunities. If you have a long-term investment horizon, consider it a chance to buy quality investments at potentially discounted prices. Stay the course, my friends. Don't let short-term fluctuations derail your long-term financial goals. All right, let's talk about investing in yourself. Your most valuable asset is you. And in today's ever-changing job market, it's more important than ever to keep your skills sharp and relevant. There are so many amazing and often free resources available online. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Khan Academy offer courses on everything from coding to graphic design to business management. Identify skills that are in demand in your field and dedicate some time each week to expanding your knowledge base. You're not just learning new skills, you're investing in your future earning potential. Start exploring those online learning platforms today and unlock your full potential. Now, let's talk about diversifying your income streams. A recession can be a wake-up call, reminding us that relying on a single source of income can be risky. Think about your skills and passions. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Could you turn those talents into a profitable side hustle? Maybe you're a whiz at crafting and could sell your creations on Etsy. Or perhaps you're a social media guru and could offer your services to local businesses. The possibilities are truly endless. And the best part? Starting a side hustle doesn't have to require a huge investment. Start small, test the waters, and see what takes off. Okay, let's talk about the power of networking. Building strong professional relationships can be invaluable, especially during a recession. You never know where your next opportunity will come from. It could be through a former colleague, a LinkedIn connection, or even someone you meet at an industry event. Attend virtual and in-person events, join online communities, and connect with people in your field. Don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire for informational interviews or virtual coffee chats. Networking is all about building genuine relationships. Be yourself, be authentic, and be helpful. You never know what doors might open simply by connecting with others. That's it for today. I know we covered a lot, but I want you to remember this. You are not powerless in the face of a recession. By taking proactive steps to strengthen your finances, you can weather the storm and come out stronger on the other side. Take what you've learned today, put it into action, and watch as your financial well-being flourishes. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more financial advice. Stay prepared and stay safe. Athena signing off.